Good day! After weeks of testing and trial and error, I can now present to you the clean ROM installation for PowKiddy 32GB version. Yes, this is for 32GB version. And before we proceed, I have some notes to discuss. That first, this installation guide was only tested on my unit. So I'm not 100% sure that this will work also on other 32GB X18 devices. And with that, the second note that I will not be responsible if you break your own device. I am just sharing this installation guide that works on my device that possibly will help you. And lastly, follow the instruction carefully at your own risk. I would suggest that you watch first the clean ROM installation guide for the 16GB version by Taki. That installation guide is very detailed and will be heavily referenced in this video. And with that in mind, let's proceed. First, you need to download the 16GB clean ROM package from Taki. Download link is also available on the description below. Once the download is completed, extract the file in your drive. Then do step 1 and step 2 as explained in Taki's video. I'm not gonna show it here since I've already completed those steps before. After you completed step 1 and step 2, we're now gonna download the boot image I've created for the 32GB version to work on this ROM. Download link will also be provided on the description below. After the download is completed, we will use it and we will overwrite the boot image from the 16GB package. I'm gonna copy it. Then we'll paste it in the clean ROM folder. Now, delete the boot image and the rooted boot folder since we don't need this anymore. Now, rename the patch boot to boot.img. Now everything is set, we can now flash the 32GB version of the clean ROM. Go back to step 3 folder, then go to the flash tool folder. Now open the flash tool application. Scatter file missing error will show. Just click OK on it. Now we're gonna retrieve the scatter file. Just click choose and go to the clean ROM folder to locate that text file. Now that it's all set, choose firmware upgrade. Then click download, then connect your PowKiddy to your PC. I'm not gonna show it since I've already done that on my device, but the flashing duration will depend on your PC hardware speed. After the flashing is complete, disconnect your PowKiddy from your PC, then turn on as normal. First boot up will take time, so be patient. And in case your device is stuck in boot logo for about 20 to 30 minutes, just reinsert your battery and try booting again. After your device was completely booted up, install Magisk Manager in your device to manage root access. And voila! Your PowKiddy X18 32GB is now running the clean ROM. So here's my PowKiddy X18 32GB running the clean ROM. My device boot up time is about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and I'll show it here. Here it is. I've already installed a lot of things in my device, and also I have a 32GB SD card inserted in it. The touchscreen is working, and all the hardware buttons are also functioning correctly. And to the settings, we'll just show you the about tablet or about phone. And to the storage, this is really the 32GB version. And there you go. Leave your comments and thoughts about this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing to support my channel. See you on our next videos.